Good morning, folks, and to Charlotte our left.
Morning! So, we've just dropped Nan and Mum off at the airport. Boo! But we've had a really nice holiday, like literally just treated it as a holiday for a week, haven't we?
Yeah, we just bummed about ate too much food.
Yeah, I've definitely ate
Done
too
not
much
a lot.
food. But it's been nice. It's nice to see Adam's
Really
mum and
nice.
grandma. So we've had a nice week, but now we're back on our kind of like travels.
Yep.
So
sorting stuff out.
Yeah, so today's kind of a sort out day. I think what we've realised being in the van, getting here and stuff like that, is we needed a little bit more space, especially like some of our bulk. We need to get rid of our bulkier items, basically our hoodies, towels.
Yeah, got hoodies, towels that at the minute we're kind of sticking them underneath the bed or like in where we're storing our clothes. But the trouble with that is it's a pain to open the bed because we've got to take the towels out every time and then put them back and then put them somewhere while the bed's open and all that stuff. And then the hoodies are just taking up like half where we're keeping all our clothes because they're just bulky and paddy.
Yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. So today we think we've got a solution. We've been to the Chinese supermarket, got some bits, so we're going to head around the back. I'm going to try to make our little contraption. That's the word I was thinking. I was going to call it concoction, but that's like when you make a drink, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway.
That's later. Cocktails.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go see what we can do.
Let's go.
So today we're going to try and sort out this area of the van. So it's on the back doors, and yeah, so we need to try and sort it out because it's such a wasted space. It's quite deep, and obviously we've got limited storage in the van, so we're going to try and utilise this area to do something with it. And we're thinking the bulkiest bits that we've got, like our bulkiest kind of stuff, is our like waterproof jackets, and then we're going to go in the sun because it's too dark. But our waterproof jackets and our like hoodies and stuff, and I know it doesn't really look like we need them now, but it is forecast to rain on Friday,
Yeah.
So yeah, it's forecast to rain Friday, and we've always got them with us just in case. So yeah, we're going to try and fix that, and if we can we've bought some bungee cords and some kind of like little eyelets and stuff. I'm going to try and basically make almost like a netting kind of thing with bungee cords, so that we can stuff our jackets and stuff in there, gets them out of the way, gives us a bit more storage in the main part of the van. We'll see how well this goes. I'm not making any promises. Look at how cool this looks! Adam is a DIY master.
I'm not really sure about that. Screwed some eyelets that are these bits into here, although I think they're holding pretty well. It was a fine line because the metal's so thin, the thread's not gripping it that good, but it seems to be holding at the minute. So I put an eyelet in each corner of this recess, and then we've bungeed across and bungeed along the bottom to try and stop this bit coming out the bottom. And then we can put our jumpers in there, and it just gives us a bit more space that before was kind of redundant, is now being used for storage, so it gives us a lot more room.
Yes, finally. So that's one door done. We're going to try and also do this door, because we haven't got that many hoodies left. We tried to kind of pack quite condensedly, didn't we, Ad?
Yeah, but we have got a few towels and stuff, so if we can put our towels...
Why is it so bright? Let's get back down a bit. But yeah, so we've got like, as it says,
we've got our
towels and stuff like that in this one.
And any other bulky stuff that we can think of that will go in there.
And then we can just, yeah, we've got a bit more space in kind of the main part of the van, because our main like wardrobe compartment, like we saw before, we had like just our packing cubes. but literally half of that volume of the area was taken up with like hoodies, waterproof jackets, all that sort of stuff, and it like got a bit on our nerves really, if I'm honest, because it was like unnecessary bulk, because even though we've already got like a couple of hoodies and a jacket, it's just so bulky, isn't it?
Yeah, they're just bulky items, aren't they, unless you can suck the air out of them.
Which we do have vacuum packs, don't we?
Yeah, we use it for the bedding.
Yeah, we use it for the bedding, but it's a bit of a faff. Like if you just want a hoodie, you got to open it up and then suck it all out again, and it's just a bit too much of a faff for like items that you might just need for an hour or so. But yeah, so we're hoping this is going to be a solution. How long it lasts is another story, but fingers crossed it will last us.
Fingers crossed.
But who knows? Alright, let's try and get on with the next one. Alright guys.
Okay.
It's finished! Take a look at this. So we've done this one, it's got our towels and a few extra hoodies and one of Adam's hats. And then this side, it's just got 2 hoodies and 2 waterproof jackets.
It wasn't the easiest of jobs, but it also wasn't the hardest job I've ever done. But it was just a bit of a pain because the metal's so thin, you can't really screw into it. It would be better if I could get to the other side.
Yeah.
And then I could nut it. And then it would just, we'd know it'd be secure, but
In
it should be okay.
In hindsight, I think what we'd do next time is before we carpet it, get like a piece of wood, like thickish wood, and like no
Bond
more,
it to the metal.
yeah, no more nails it, bond it to like the metal, and then like carpet over it so you can't really see. But then that way we know we've got something to like
Yeah, you'd
screw
always have
into.
something to go into.
So if you are still converting your van, definitely do that.
Because the trouble with this skin, this bit here at the back, is we've insulated this, but that, if you drill through it, just goes straight through to the metal on the other side, and it's only really, really thin. So you can't drill into it at all.
Yeah, we don't want bolts sticking out the other side. Ruin our nice paint job.
But it was pretty good deal, or bargain.
Bargain of the century, actually.
So we went to, you might have seen on our Instagram, Oriente Perfectio.
Oriente
Which is a Chinese
Perfectio!
shop. It's like eBay for in Portugal, in a shop.
Yeah, it is. It's massive as well. It's like a warehouse size, isn't it?
And they just have literally anything, if you can think of it, it's in there. So we got the eyelets for 80p for 12, and then it was 2 of the bungee cords for €1.30.
No, 110.
Oh, was it 110?
Yeah, 110.
So it's cost us like €4.70
€4.
or something, or
€4 10 cents.
€4.10 for the whole setup.
€4 10 cents for 2 full setups.
And it's given us a lot of room for €4.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually, that, isn't it? I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Finally as well, this is the one thing that's bugged me since we did the van, of what the hell to do with these things, like
Recess area.
because I just thought it's such a waste of space, and you really need, when you've got like a small van conversion like this, you have got to utilise every bit of space. But we've just kind of struggled to work out the best kind of way, or the best thing to do. But I think being in the van for like a few days or whatever, we've kind of got used to the van and thought about it a little bit more and worked out what we want, what we need.
Yeah, figured out like what we need in the van and where we can put stuff.
Yeah, so
And then we thought, we've got quite a lot of hoodies and stuff which aren't that heavy, but they're quite bulky. So if we could get them somewhere.
just creates more space, doesn't it? Is that big black bee again?
The carpenter bee.
Honestly, it's the biggest, blackest bee I've ever seen in my life. It's about this big and it's jet black. Honestly, it's the scariest bee I've ever seen. Hold on, because it's scary. let us know in the comments. Drop it in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. All the usual stuff. But yeah, we've been in Portugal. How long have we been in Portugal now? A week?
Probably nearly getting close to 10 days now.
Yeah, it's good. It's good, good, good. Alright, so we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.